Yes, I wanted. You'd crawl it up and drop it all across the floor. The trailer would follow to your door. You'd have run out. I'd be devout, hoping you had more. I'm on my knees, so keen to please you. Thank God something I thought we could have some kind of bullshit or some kind of love. I'd lay it on the line, you lay up in my bed, lovingly, comfortably. Thought you'd grow tongue in time. I hide you